Roll number 43249, please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Mary Serencio, 46 years old, married. I have 4 kids, ages of 25, 24, 13, and 12. I have 2 siblings. I am the middle of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I am undergraduate of Business Administration, major in Marketing Management of St. Paul, Dumaguete City.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
For myself and for the support of my kids in education, ma'am.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, ma'am. I've been experienced in Singapore 2 years, in Saudi Arabia 7 years, in Hong Kong and Mongolia 2 years.
Do you have experience of taking care of an old person?
Yes, I have been experienced in taking care of old person. I give bath, change diapers, prepare for food and medicine.
Do you have experience of taking care of a newly born babies?
Yes, I have been experienced in taking care of newborn babies. I give bath, playing with them, and change clothes and food.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do inside the house?
I know how to cook, tutoring, and sewing, ma'am, and ironing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
I can cook Chinese food like steamed vegetables, and I can cook Italian like carbonara and spaghetti, and Filipino food like menudo and sinigang.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
I am honest person, hardworking, and trustworthy, ma'am.
During misunderstanding of your employer, what do you do?
I can say apologies to my mom and sir and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
We have a good relationship with my previous and present employer, and they treated me as like a family.
Message for your future employer in Hong Kong.
For the future employee in Hong Kong, I promise to do my best, and I promise to finish my contract in 2 years and more. And thank you very much.